searching so long for you.
Mooster History is working hard on his History Day research. He searched the card catalog at his local public library and found some great books for his project. But they weren't on the shelves, and the only library that has them is 100 miles away.
Oh no! Now what am I gonna do?
Don't worry, Mooster H. There's an easy way to get research materials delivered to your local library from libraries all over the state.
Really?
You bet. It's called Interlibrary Loan, and it's super easy to use.
Oh boy!
Come on, I'll show you how.
So turn it up, come on now, who's ready to party? Turn up the sound.
If you need to see any book, article, or media that isn't owned by your local library, you can use Interlibrary Loan to have it sent to you.
Yes!
Okay, settle down, big fella. All right? It all starts with your computer, even your computer at home. Just use your browser to go to www.minlinkgateway.org.
www.minlinkgateway.org.
First, you set up an account using your existing public library card. Then you can select books, articles, and media like CDs and DVDs that you need for your research.
Let me try. Moose habitat.
So once you have selected and requested your material, your library will send you an email or call you when it arrives. Then you just need to go to the library and pick it up. It will take about a week or more to get, depending on the availability. When you're done with the items, simply return them to your local library.
How much does it cost?
Nada. Zip. Zilch. It's free.
Awesome! Thanks, Mr. History.